Good morning, everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most difficult parts of these old classic Ducatis to find, and that is the key. I've got the key laying right here. This is an original key, and I'm going to try to get the light so you can see. It's actually made in Milano, Italy. Pagani, Milano. These things are impossible to find. It took months and months to find one of these on eBay. And they're a strange looking key. I mean, they're just weird looking. But this is an original, correct key for the era. When I bought the bike probably 25, 30 years ago, the gentleman that I bought it from, all this was gone. He just had a little switch and everything. Unfortunately, that part of it was not original. But a couple of other interesting facts here. The headlight bucket, and I don't know if you can see this with the lighting in here, but it's made by Aprilia. There were several components on the Ducatis of the day that shared Aprilia components. Wish I had more light, but maybe you can see it. And interestingly enough, we're going to put the key down. Old baby duck here still has, and I'm going to replace it, of course, the original ignition little module thing here, where the key goes in. The ignition module is probably not the correct term. But look how simple that is. You turn the key, and it changes the point of contacts. That's just wild. 66 technology at its best. And of course, there's where all the wires would connect. You know, look at that. It's not in all that bad shape to be a 66. I'm going to get with the experts that's going to be restoring Baby Duck for me. And what original parts can be used, we're definitely going to keep. But the ones that aren't serviceable, they're going to be tossed. Still going to keep them. I'm just not going to put them in the bike. But the interesting thing about this, pull that out, is in these motorcycles, the key went in the headlight. If I put it back in, it may get stuck, so I'm not going to risk that. But in real world applications, I just showed you where the ignition module went. The key goes in here, you turn it, and that's how you turn it on. And the speedometer is in good shape. That is the original speedometer from the bike, so it's still in pretty good shape. And what do we got here? 1,100 miles on the old girl. 1,100 miles, which and I say that's the original speedometer. That is the one that was on it when I got it years ago. And an interesting fact that I meant to mention in yesterday's video. So I bought this bike in the early 90s, first Ducati I ever bought. The gentleman that I bought it from worked at a local cotton mill, and he daily drove this bike. He literally, when I went over and bought it from him at his house, he daily drove it. And the interesting thing about that is it still had the original tires on it from 1966 that he was daily driving. And I still have those. They're on the original wheels. The spokes were shot because of it being in storage, but I still have the original wheels and the original tires. And when I put it back on display, I may just put them back on it, when I'm not riding it, because they are the original tires from 66. And like I said, he daily drove this thing. So a little bit of background for you there for Baby Duck. But, it's interesting that it's got the Aprilia headlight bucket, and there's a couple of other Aprilia components on it. But the headlight bucket is in decent shape. It really, you see it right there. There you can just plainly see Aprilia. And then this goes right there, and then there's a trim piece which I have that sits on top of that. It just pops in. I do have the original trim piece, and you can plainly see where the key fits in there. So been cleaning the old girl up some. Now the sparkle paint is not correct. Unfortunately, my buddy that I gave it to that had it for a couple of years, he did this. All that's going to be stripped down. We have found the original color. The original color on this bike was a dark burgundy red, and we're gonna have it completely. I say we, it's mine. I am going to have it restored to the original color, original condition. And although while it was in his possession, he had the seat recovered, which that piping is not correct. Going to have that redone. The little tab at the back, the little metal decoration there, that is original. You know, it's interesting. The people that redid the seat, it's not centered. And that's just, I mean, look at that. The seat's on straight, but you can plainly see center here. That's not centered. But the seat pan is original. There is no rust on the seat pan, so we'll be using the original seat pan. So that's a good thing. You know, parts for these things, you can find them, but man, are they a booger to find sometimes. So slowly getting all the correct components. That was not on it when I had it years and years ago. So there's just a little more update progress here on Baby Duck. I'm going to do what I can before I ship it off to the person that's going to restore it, and I'm going to have them video the restoration process, and I'll be posting that on the channel. Thanks for watching, and have a great morning.